Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Canva Pro subscription step by step. So if you no longer want the paid plan, want to avoid future charges, or just want to switch back to the free version, yeah, this guide will walk you through the whole process. First, open Canva in your browser or app and sign in to the account that has the Canva Pro subscription. Now click your profile picture in the top right corner and open the account settings menu. This is where your billing and subscription details are located. Next, select Billing and Plans or Subscription Settings, depending on your Canva version. So you should now see your active Canva Pro plan. If you subscribe through Google Play or the Apple App Store, you may need to cancel directly from those platforms instead of Canva. One smart idea is downloading any premium designs, assets, or brand content before your Pro access expires. Some premium elements may become restricted later. If you run into billing issues or can't find the cancel option, contact Canva support directly for help. And that's basically how to cancel your Canva Pro subscription from start to finish. After completing the steps, your subscription should stop renewing automatically.